Hello netizens! Welcome back to my channel. Medyo natagalan po ang ating pagba-vlog dahil medyo na busy tayo sa trabaho at sa mga kung ano-anong mga pinagkakaabalahan. Anyway, ang ating pag-uusapan for this episode ay tungkol na naman sa Pag-Ibig Housing Loan. And this time, i-introduce ko sa inyo itong affordable housing loan ng Pag-Ibig. So, malalaman natin kung bakit tinawag siyang affordable at malalaman natin kung para kanino itong housing loan na ito. Alam ko na medyo may idea na kayo kasi when it comes sa housing loan ng Pag-Ibig, almost the same lang naman yung mga requirements, mga kailangan. Pero itong affordable housing loan ay feeling ko matutuwa kayo kung malaman nyo kung para saan at kanino itong affordable housing loan ng Pag-Ibig. Anyway, before that, by the way guys, I'm gineerbens and welcome back again and again sa aking YouTube channel. So this channel creates video tutorial and construction related videos. If so happen that you're looking for those type of content, feel free to consider subscribing my channel. You can tap that notification bell para ma-update ka every time na meron tayo mga bagong upload kahit na medyo delay yung ating pag-upload. Anyway, in this episode, meron tayong tutorial video coming up. Yun na nga guys, ang ating pag-uusapan for this episode is all about housing loan pero affordable housing loan ng Pag-Ibig. So basically, ang pag-uusapan natin is ano nga ba itong housing loan na ito? Ano nga ba yung pwede nating gawin sa loan na ito? Or should I say, ano yung mga loan purpose? And then, ano yung mga eligibility requirement? And of course, ano yung mga requirement sa housing loan na ito? At the same time, ano yung mga steps na dapat nating susundan kung tayo ay mag-apply for this affordable housing loan ng Pag-Ibig. So bakit nga ba siya tinatawag na affordable housing loan? It's because ang ating magiging monthly amortization po dito ay only 2,445.3 pesos. Tinawag din ito ni Pag-Ibig na it would be an easier or mas mabilis, mas madali mong mag-apply kung ikaw nga naman ay hindi kumikita ng ganong kalaki. At least magkakaroon ka pa rin ng chance na makapag-loan sa Pag-Ibig. At ang kinukonsider ni Pag-Ibig dito, kaya tinatawag niyang affordable housing loan dahil binigyan niya halaga itong may mga minimum wage earner or yung mga low income na mga employee. Paano natin masasabi na ikaw ay belong to that minimum wage earner? Meron tayong website sa National Wages Productivity Commission wherein nakalista doon or makikita natin, mababasa natin doon kung magkano yung mga daily minimum wage ng bawat manggagawa. So, kung ikaw ay nabilong sa NCR area, dapat ay nag-income ka ng at least 15,000 pesos. Pero kung outside NCR naman ay meron kang 12,000 pesos. Yun yung mga qualified to apply for this affordable housing loan ng Pag-Ibig. So now let's talk about the loan purpose. Ano yung pwede nating gagawin doon sa ma-avail natin na housing loan? So first is, pwede mo siyang gamitin pang purchase ng fully developed na residential lot. At pwede mo rin siyang pambili ng mga adjoining or kadugtong na mga lupa sa lupa mo. Pero hindi dapat siya lalagpas ng 1,000 square meters yung bibilhin mo. At pwede mo rin daw siyang gamiting pambili ng residential house and lot. Pwede sa mga townhouse, pwede rin daw sa condominium unit. Itong house and lot, townhouse at condominium unit na ating tinutukoy ay pwede siyang pre-owned or second hand or pasalo, ikaw ang mag-continue. Pwede mo rin siyang pambili sa yung mga brand new. Like brand new na townhouse, brand new na condominium, brand new na house and lot. Pwede mong gamitin pambili yung niloan mo. Pwede rin yung mga adjoining or karugtong na mga house and lot or the same condominium units and row houses or the townhouse. So yun yung pangalawang loan purpose. And also, pwede mo rin daw siyang gamitin as construction or completion of the residential unit or residential lot owned by the borrower or relative of the borrower. So, kung meron ka ng napatayong bahay tapos hindi mo matapos-tapos dahil kulang ka ng pampagawa, pwede kang mag-loan para pampatapos. Even for construction or completion sa pinapagawa mong bahay. And also, pwede mo rin daw gamitin sa home improvement. Kung meron ka lang gustong improve sa bahay mo, so pwede kang mag-loan, mag-avail ng loan at gamitin yung pera doon sa ipa-improve mong part ng bahay mo. And lastly, pwede mo rin daw gamitin sa refinancing of your existing housing loan. Pero take note na the borrower must be regularly paying the amortization of the said loan without any payment made beyond 30 days past due for the last 6 months from the date of application. So from the date of the application, dapat walang makikitang record si Pag-Ibig doon sa housing loan account mo na may within 6 months may delay ka or may beyond 30 days na nagbayad ka doon sa amortization mo. So dapat walang ganun para maka-avail ka for refinancing, para ma-change yung terms and conditions or ma-revise yung housing agreement mo. So yung next question natin dito ay ano nga ba yung ating mga qualification or eligibility requirement para makapag-avail tayo for this type of loan. So firstly, ang ating qualification is we should qualify doon sa sinabi natin kanina na 15,000 pesos within NCR at outside NCR 12,000 pesos. Then you should have at least 24 months membership savings sa inyong account sa Pag-Ibig. But, sa sinabi ko na before, nothing to worry kung hindi ka pa nakapag-reach ng 24 months sa iyong membership savings kasi pwede mo naman siyang bayaran ng lump sum, like bultuhan. Basta makapaghulog ka ng at least 24 months doon sa Pag-Ibig. Next qualification is ang ating age. Dapat hindi ka lalagpas ng 65 years of age the day ng yung application for your loan. And at the same time, hindi ka dapat lalagpas ng 70 years old at the date of your loan maturity. So, say for example, so dapat hindi ka lalagpas ng 65 years old dahil pwede mong ma-avail na terms is at least 5 years. After 5 years, so maging 70 years old ka na. So, dapat 65 below yung age mo. And then, for example, ang i-avail mong terms is 20 years or 15 years. So, dapat at the date of loan maturity, dapat hindi ka lalagpas ng 70. So, 70 years old minus kung 15 years yung i-avail mo or 20 years, i-deduct mo lang yung 70 minus 20 years. So, dapat below 50 years old ka. And then, kung 15 years, dapat below 55 years old yung age mo para makapag-avail ka for those terms. Then, next qualification is you should have a legal capacity to encumber real property. So, like, nasa 18 years old ka na, you have the capacity para mag-enter into contract, yung mga ganun. So, ability to pass satisfactory background, credit and employment business checks of Pag-Ibig funds. So, may mag-CI sa'yo, dapat okay yung magiging remarks mo for your background check. So, may mag-CCI sa'yo, investigate kung talagang nagtatrabaho ka or saan ka nagtatrabaho or ilang taon ka nagtatrabaho or saan ka connected. Yung mga ganong mga simple na dapat nilang malaman. And then, no outstanding Pag-Ibig short-term loan in arrears at the time of loan application. So, kung meron kang mga short-term loan sa Pag-Ibig, walang problema yan as long as na updated ka sa bayad or wala kang mga pending or whatsoever mga problema sa short-term loan. The same way goes sa kung meron kang existing housing loan. Dapat wala kang record na na-foreclose or na-cancelled or na both back due to default or subjected to caution de pago. Research lang natin yan. Ito yung explanation niya. Dapat wala kang ganong mga record sa Pag-Ibig para makapag-avail ka again ng another housing loan which is here for the affordable housing loan. If with an existing Pag-Ibig housing loan as a principal buyer or borrower or co-borrower, the account must be updated. So, kailangan talaga pag meron kang existing housing loan, dapat updated ka sa bayad mo. So, dapat walang problema para makapag-avail ka pa ng housing loan. So, yun lang yung mga dapat nating tatandaan for our eligibility or qualification para makapag-avail tayo for this type of loan. So, by the way guys, right this moment, if meron na kayong natututunan or something, mga information na nakuha sa ating vlog for this episode, please take time to click that subscribe button. At i-click mo na rin yung notification bell para ma-update ka every time na meron tayong bagong uploads. So, let's proceed sa ating video. So, ngayon, ang tanong natin is, ano nga ba yung mga requirements na dapat natin i-fulfill for this loan? So, unang-una, of course, meron tayong application form, which is ang gagamitin natin for borrower and co-borrower is HQP HLF 068. For borrower and co-borrower is HQP HLF-069. Dalawang copy po yan, and then with the recent ID photo. Then, meron tayong dapat proof of income. Kung locally employed ka, certificate of employment na naka-specify din yung gross income mo at nakalagay din yung mga monthly allowances. Meron nag-comment sa akin sa previous video ko na hindi daw inilagay yung yung mga allowances tsaka yung talagang basic lang daw yung kinonsider. At sinagot ko siya na nakalagay dito sa kanilang mga requirements na dapat nakalagay yung gross monthly income and monthly allowances mo. Then mag-submit ka rin ng ITR or the income tax return at yung 1 month payslip within 3 months. Then kung OFW ka, actually yung sa OFW is yung standard contract ng PUEA or yung employment contract mo, then the certificate of employment and compensation. Actually, sa sinabi ko na rin dati sa aking vlog before sa previous mga videos ko, yung ating contract is nakasaad na rin doon yung ating compensation. So, that's it. Yung contract natin, pwede na, it will do. Also, self-employed ka. Medyo sa self-employed, itong mga babasahin ko is kung ano yung applicable sa'yo kasi iba-iba naman yung mga source of income mo. So, mag-submit ka daw din ng ITR, mag-submit ka ng commission voucher, bank statement or yung passbook mo for the last 12 months, copy of lease contract, and tax declaration kung nagpaparenta ka. So kung hindi yun yung source of income mo, so wag mo nang i-provide yun. Certified true copy of transport franchise, kung hindi naman applicable sa iyo yan, edi wala na. Certificate of engagement issued by owner of the business and the other document that would validate source of income. Or any dokumento na hihingi ni Pag-Ibig na nagpapatunay na yun yung source of income mo as your pambaya doon sa magiging or ma-avail mong housing loan. So, meron tayong 6 steps in housing loan availment. So, ito yung ating susundan kung tayo ay decided na, okay, na-assess mo na qualified ka for this type of loan and then you're interested kasi nga 2,445 lang yung magiging monthly mo. So, naka-decide ka na, okay, I'll go for this type of loan. So, ano yung gagawin mo? So, unang-una is you have to complete the requirements to apply for housing loan sa Pag-Ibig. So, unang-una, meron ka dapat housing loan application. Sinabi natin kanina, vicinity map of the property, additional requirement for loan purpose. Kasi, di ba, meron tayong mga purpose kung home improvement lang yun, kung construction, meron siyang specific na mga additional requirement. Then, proof of income, na-mention natin kanina, updated tax declaration and tax receipts, valid IDs, and certified true copy of title. Whichever is required ni Pag-Ibig, yun yung i-provide mo. Basta itong 7 na ito ay yun yung mga checklist ni Pag-Ibig. Then next step, number 2, submit your Pag-Ibig loan applications. Pwede kang pumunta doon sa mga locations na nilagay ko yung link sa description below para makita mo kung saan yung mga available locations na pwede kang mag-submit. And in-encourage nila actually na you can actually do also initial submission of your requirements sa online para hindi na hassle, di ba? Much better. After that, step number 3, you will receive a notice of approval if ever yung initial requirements mo ay okay. And a letter of guarantee or LOG. So ngayon, pagka-receive mo ng mga NOA at LOG or log, you will advise na i-claim yung NOA mo or yung log. I-complete mo yung requirements stated in your notice of approval. So, sa notice of approval mo, may mga additional requirements na naman na dapat mong i-fulfill. Dapat matapos mo siya within 90 calendar days. After that, kung ma-okay na or ma-approve na, you will receive your Pag-Ibig housing loan proceeds. So, congratulations na dito dahil ma-receive mo na yung proceeds ng loan mo. So, upon submission of your post-approval requirements, you will receive a proceeds of your loan 10 working days. We will notify you on how your loan proceeds shall be released safely and conveniently. Then, also, after a month, syempre, na-release na yung Pag-Ibig loan, magbabayad ka na mag-start ka ng magbayad for your monthly amortization. So maganda itong affordable housing loan dahil ang requirement ay at least sa mga minimum wage earner, meron kang chance na you can still avail for the housing loan sa Pag-Ibig. I hope that you learned something out from this video, and if you do, please do consider subscribing my channel. I-tap mo yung notification bell para ma-update ka every time na meron tayo mga bagong upload na i-upload sa ating channel. So I guess that's it for this episode, and have a great day. And malapit ng eleksyon, so vote wisely and mag-research po tayo kung sino yung ating napupusuang i-vote. So God bless Philippines and have a great day, and God bless. Bye!